Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to take rhymes and English. You all like the rhymes, no? Shall we start the alphabet rhymes that you have studied in LKG? A is for apple, shiny and bright. B is for bed, that we sleep at night. C is for cat, that says meow meow. D is for dog, that says bow bow. E is for egg, yellow and white. F is for fish, that swims. Sorry. F is for fish, that one won't bite. G is for key, big and red. H is for hat, we wear on our heads. I is for ink, black, blue and red. This is the rhymes they have studied in LKG. You had to study up to A to Z. Understand? Now we can go for the English class. You all know ABCD, the capital and small. Now we are going to learn the words of these letters. Okay? This is your textbook. Let us read all the words. This is a small A for apple, A for ankle, A for apricot. This is a fruit. Isn't it? Then it's B for baby, B for bell, B for bed, C for cake, C for camera, C for corn, D for dolphin, D for die, D for deer, E for eagle, E for an elbow. Elbow is here, children. Understand? The parts of the body, that is what. E for earth. Next, I am going to turn the page. Now you see this. The letter F. F for flag, F for frog, F for flamingo. G for gift, G for giraffe, G for guitar. H for hat, H for hippo, H for helmet. I for India, I for ibis, I for insects. Now we are going to learn some spellings of these letters. Okay? All see the blackboard now. Sounds of the letters. What is the sound of the letters? First letter is a small A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. The next B. B for bell. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. C for cake. C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. You all like this cake to eat. Understand? This is a favorite cake for you. Next, D. D for deer. D-E-E-R-D. D-E-E-R-D. E for earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. E-A-R-T-H, T-H, earth. F, F-L-A-G, flag. F-L-A-G, flag. F-L-A-G, flag. G for gift. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. H for hut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. The last one, I. I-N-D-I-A, India. I-N-D-A, India. Sorry, children. I-N-D-I-A, India. These words you have to learn at home. Understand? The next. This is the homework you have to write today. Understand? This you have to join the dots for all the letters A to Z. Will you do this, children? Thank you.